In the healthcare sector, maintaining optimal air quality is critical for patient safety and recovery. The Wi-Fi-enabled air quality analyzer for hospitals is a state-of-the-art solution designed to meet the stringent requirements of medical environments. This advanced analyzer provides comprehensive monitoring of air quality, ensuring that hospitals can create and maintain a healthy atmosphere for patients, staff, and visitors. The analyzer is equipped with a range of sensors that detect particulate matter, volatile organic compounds, VOCs, carbon dioxide, CO2, levels, and other airborne contaminants. This detailed monitoring allows hospitals to identify and address potential air quality issues before they can impact patient health. Data security and privacy are paramount in healthcare, and the Wi-Fi-enabled air quality analyzer is HIPAA compliant. This ensures that all data collected is stored securely and is accessible only to authorized personnel, safeguarding sensitive information and maintaining patient confidentiality. Real-time alerts are a key feature of the analyzer, providing immediate notifications to hospital staff when air quality levels fall outside of the recommended ranges. This prompt response capability is crucial in a medical setting where quick action can make a significant difference in patient outcomes. The benefits of the Wi-Fi-enabled air quality analyzer extend beyond just patient safety. By ensuring high air quality, hospitals can also reduce the risk of infections, improve staff productivity, and enhance the overall healing environment. This commitment to air quality is a testament to a hospital's dedication to excellence in patient care. For healthcare facilities looking to implement a cutting-edge air quality monitoring system, the Wi-Fi-enabled air quality analyzer for hospitals is an essential tool. To learn more about how this technology can benefit your facility, please feel free to reach out to me. You can find my contact information on my page, and I'll be sure to respond to your inquiry within 24 hours. Together, we can take a significant step forward in enhancing patient safety and well-being.